Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that DOVU token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, DOVU is not just another cryptocurrency. It represents a pioneering approach to ecological sustainability within the blockchain realm. At the heart of DOVU's mission is to tokenization and sale of ecological credits, targeting the global voluntarily carbon market VCM. This initiative is part of the Hedera ecosystem, leveraging its robust infrastructure to support environmental efforts. The DOVU's staking platform allows community members to stake their tokens, offering a daily yield of up to 8% APR, thereby incentivizing participation in its green mission. The DOVU's OS toolkit is a cornerstone of DOVU's strategy, designed to streamline the creation and management of high-quality ecological credits. This managed service aims to simplify and scale climate impact initiatives, providing organizations within the tools to efficiently manage sustainability projects by focusing on offsetting and insetting. DOVU empowers businesses to reduce the cost and complexities associated with sustainability efforts. DOVU project institution rating is 3.8. DOVU token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 8.2 billion DOVU token. DOVU token is listed on MEXC, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a digito good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.